Imagine if every tiny detail about you, your eye color, your height, even how likely you are to love or hate cilantro was encoded in a microscopic blueprint within your body. What if you could read this code like a book, revealing secrets about your past, present, and even future? That's DNA, the blueprint of life, and it's more bizarre than most people ever realize. The deeper we dive into its mysteries, the stranger it gets. For starters, your DNA is ridiculously long. If you unraveled all the DNA inside a single one of your cells and stretched it out, it would be about 6 feet long. That may not seem like much, but consider this. You have around 37 trillion cells in your body. If you lined up all the DNA in your body end to end, it would stretch from the Earth to the Sun and back over 600 times. That's like traveling to the moon and back more than 1,500 times. It's incredible to think that something so tiny carries so much information, all compacted into the nucleus of a microscopic cell. And here's something even crazier. You share a shocking amount of DNA with unexpected creatures. Believe it or not, humans share about 60% of their genes with fruit flies, 85% with mice, and around 98.8% with chimpanzees. This genetic overlap is a result of millions of years of evolution, showing just how interconnected all living things truly are. But the weirdest part, you even share about 50% of your DNA with a banana. That means if you could somehow read the genetic code of a banana, you'd find some of the same instructions that exist inside you. This just goes to show that all life on Earth is deeply connected. No matter how different we seem, your DNA is also a living record of history. Right now, inside your cells, you carry ancient viral DNA from infections that happened to your ancestors thousands or even millions of years ago. These viruses inserted their genetic material into human DNA, and over time, those viral sequences became a permanent part of our genome. Scientists estimate that about 8% of your DNA actually comes from viruses that infected humans long before recorded history. Some of these ancient viral genes may even play a role in immune system functions or fetal development today. In a way, your genetic code is like a fossil, holding echoes of ancient battles between humans and disease. Here's another mind-blowing fact. Your DNA is constantly breaking and repairing itself. Every single day, your body experiences around 100,000 DNA breaks per cell. That means, right now, billions of tiny repairs are happening all over your body. If the repair mechanisms in your DNA weren't so efficient, life as we know it wouldn't be possible. However, when these repairs don't work properly, mutations can occur, which is one of the main reasons cancer develops. So while DNA is incredibly powerful, it's also fragile and needs constant maintenance to keep functioning properly. And finally, even though your DNA is what makes you unique, you still have genetic doppelgangers. The odds of having an identical twin with the exact same DNA are rare. But did you know that, somewhere in the world, you likely have a total stranger who looks eerily like you? This happens because there are only so many possible genetic variations that determine facial features. And with billions of people on Earth, the chances of unrelated people sharing similar genetic blueprints are higher than you might think. Scientists are still studying why these lookalikes exist, but the more they learn, the more it seems that DNA has limits to how many different ways it can shape a human face. DNA is one of the most incredible things about being alive. It's a hidden code inside you, packed with mysteries that science is still trying to unravel. From its massive length to its connections with bananas, from ancient viruses hiding in your genes to the never-ending repairs keeping you alive, your DNA is full of surprises. The more we discover about it, the more we realize that the strangest thing of all is just how little we still know. What other secrets could be hidden in our genetic code, waiting to be uncovered?
Hey there, if you're enjoying this video and appreciate the effort behind it, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Oh, and one more thing, share this video with your friends. Spread the love and support. Alright, now let's get back to the video. Let me know if you want any tweaks.